Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and granting Gemini live microphone and camera permissions. Once done, open Gemini Live in a supported browser and choose your input device and resolution, like 720p or 1080p. Make sure you select a language and voice model that match your audience, and quickly test a camera angle and lighting preset so the AI sees clear visuals. This quick setup prevents delays and ensures Gemini can transcribe and respond accurately from the very first interaction. Next, configure prompts and controls to shape responses. Craft short system prompts and one-sentence user intent so Gemini interprets context reliably. Then enable live captions, speaker identification, and scene recognition features when needed. These improve accuracy for multi-person or visual tasks. Also adjust the latency versus quality slider. Choose lower latency for interactive chats and higher quality for recording sessions. Finally, preview a brief exchange to confirm response style and timing, and fine-tune prompt tone to match how you want Gemini to reply. To finish, save your session settings and export transcripts, highlighted clips, or timestamps for review. When you end the call, close the session and revoke any temporary device permissions if you're on a shared system. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting step. Check microphone input levels, confirm browser permissions for camera and mic, and then reload the Gemini Live tab. Often a quick restart resolves sync and audio issues. If needed, switch devices to isolate hardware problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.